Due to the pandemic and resulting economic meltdown, businesses are facing an unparalleled assault on their ability to stay viable. While these are anxious and unprecedented times, business leaders must focus their energy on addressing the acute issues that will impede their ability to stay in business. Now is not the time for perfection, but it is the time for clear, focused thinking about decisive actions to drive immediate results. To help leadership groups successfully navigate through this situation, Hewat Strategic Edge has created a guide entitled Build a Short-Term Plan for Business Survival. It's a step-by-step process that arranges all your ideas in one place. It provides a set of critical questions for you to consider, helps you recognize the impact various choices could have on possible outcomes, and leads to the identification of those actions you need to take urgently. It is tailored to the business owner, as well as those with executive responsibility for a company, division, or department. It is free to download. In this time of crisis, tactical measures directed at generating cash and protecting other short-term financial covenants take precedence. Success in the short term can lead to more strategic thinking later. The central question becomes, what do we have to do immediately to ensure our survival? Given the perilous circumstances of many businesses, we believe that a sequence of intensely focused monthly action plans is required to ensure the timely implementation and immediate results. The guide will lead your team to build 3 products: a first-month action plan, a 6-month cost reduction forecast, and a remaining 5-month action list. Do not let the chaos outside the business become the chaos within. Download the free guide today. Bring your team together and create your own self-facilitated short-term plan for business survival.